You don't need to make trading hard, guys. Keep it simple, because you need to make trading decisions pretty quickly. And you can see here on the German DAX, on the daily chart, we had a buy signal, which is a green from a red on our pro trading system last Wednesday. We've got the entry, stop placement. Next profit target is 19,716. It's green. It's long and it's strong, and it's also going to make a brand new high here on the German DAX. Keep it really simple. We're long the market. If it turns red, then we'll get out and maybe do a short trade, but it's green and it's long, okay? So we got 19,716 as our next profit target. We're in trailing stop mode now. So you trail your stop and lock in the profits. So this is a really nice swing trade. And if you're thinking and reading about all the news that's come out last week and over the weekend, it's only going to confuse you even more. Price is king. The most important thing when you're trading the markets is the price. And at the moment, we're green. Once price turns red, then we'll get out of our long side trade. But what about if you're a day trader? How can you keep it simple as well? Let's take a little look at that. Here's a 5-minute chart of the German DAX this Monday morning. While it's pouring with rain here in the south east of England, you can see here we're in the dry, trading the market here. Nice green buy signal, target after target after target. We call that green on green, okay? So when the daily is green, it means more buyers are in control. And when the 5-minute turns green, then the buyers are in control. We want to buy the market. That's our signal. Pushes nicely higher here, and if you manage to get 70 points out of it, that was a cracking trade. So 70-point move in the morning, whether you're doing it in a spread betting account or a funded account. I mean, if you're doing it with £1 a point, you've made £70 profit here in 1 hour, and you can just multiply £70 by 70 points by the pounds per point you've were placing that trade, okay? So a very nice move higher here on the German DAX. What would be your exit signal? Well, when it turns red. At the moment it's green and it's staying long, okay, at the moment. If it turns red in the live markets here, then we exit that trade. So keep it really simple, guys. No need to confuse your trading with our pro trading system. Hope it helps.